very today video edition here. We got a ML350. This looks like 2014 or 2013. I've seen this kind of car before. Yes, and this car just came from the West. And the very customer complaint about this very car here is that when you turn on the AC, I wish I would have been able to do a test drive, but I really don't have that luxury of time. When you turn on the AC and you drive, just give it some moment, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes drive, it will switch automatically into blowing a massive hot air. The AC technicians have done different kinds of things, but this problem is not solved. So they're bringing it to me to see if I can be able to solve this very problem here. I've come across different kinds of problem in Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen, Audi, and you know one of the most freaking insane thing about me? I digest them like a breakfast and I solve them like a peanut butter. So if you are in Africa, in Nigeria, you have a problem like this, I am your best pal, right? So it can be Dr. Cool, can be DIY assistant. So today, I want to check exactly what this very problem is, because from my inspection here, I've dealt with a car like this before, and it did last like 14 days with me before I get to figure out exactly the problem. But I didn't get the problem back to factory, but this time my upgrade and hidden assets is massive. So if I bet down, I want to get this very car back to working up to manufacturer specification, I know exactly what I'm gonna do, where I'm gonna head to. And now this very car had a very peculiar stuff. This is a V6. However, you can see there is a very good space here, unlike Mercedes engineering. And the reason why there is this space here, seems like this one is are you serious? It looks like as if it's not. I want to just see it. Yes, it's V6. Yes, this is exactly the spec I've worked on before, exactly like I said. So the space is here, this massive for AC technician, because there was elimination of the hydro power steering pump, and it's replaced with the EPS, electronic power steering, electrical power steering assisted. So what exactly could this very problem mean for this very car? You see this one here has a clutch, and it's gonna be 3 wires, and I guess, okay, that's the reason why the other one I saw the other day, that one has a clutch too. No wonder. So what I'm gonna be doing in this very regard here is to run a diagnosis on it. So without wasting your time, let's get started. My tripod is not here, so I can be giving you too many feedback. You gotta take whatever I gave you, but if you have found it more better in another place, then go ahead. Right? So here we go. The moment of the truth. Is coming. Is coming. Is coming. 3 days ago, I was battling to get back AMG 2016 model C43 AC back. And the guy who brought this very one here, I have more. This environment temperature here is rising, so this is the time where people can no longer condone car that the AC is not working. And guess who is gonna make it work? It's me. So I want to take a look at something. Why this whole thing is loading up. My system is booting up. Okay, here we go. So the system is automatically connected, and because I have been dealing with different kinds of problems regarding Benz, here we go. I'm gonna go into here. There should be 213 to 14 or even more. Okay, automatic detection. Okay, this is 214, so it wasn't out of what I just told you guys. Now let's dive in and see exactly why this AC is acting up. Now, this kind of actually give me an edge on the Mercedes over Toyota and some other, and I love Mercedes, Volkswagen, and sometimes even a lot of other American cars. Like okay, so we can go over here. I'll go over to system selection, then I'm gonna go on to the AC system, air conditioning. Okay, read error code. There should be a lot of them. A lot, yes. How do I know? Because this is something. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. Okay. This is getting interesting. This is getting interesting. This is getting interesting. This is getting. Yes, now it's no more glaring. A lot of them are stored. There's only one current. Okay, here is the problem. Here is a problem. Again, here is a problem. Here is the problem. So if you go on this start, or even this one here, you miss the point. So literally, I think maybe all of them are having something very common. Right blender, there is a mechanical fault. Actuator model for the rear blender, left blender, all of them has mechanical fault. No, something is wrong. Maybe the ground, maybe the CAN bus that controls it. So from the fresh actuator flap malfunction, there is a mechanical fault. All of them has mechanical fault. There is no way all of them can have mechanical fault simultaneously, except there is something that link them, that make them to fail. Maybe a common ground, or maybe, and here it was specific. So I'm gonna be checking on that D0088. That could have answered to the reason why all this whole thing are functioning. So I hope you guys find this very helpful, because here I can't go further with this very diagnosis. I am 100% sure that is where the problem is. You can check that out if suppose you're having this kind of problem, and use that to solve your problem. For now, this job is about to get more hectic and much more tougher. So it's not something that I can keep cameras long enough for me. No. My channel, my audience are not really that kind of people. When I grow up to that stage, then I can be able to start making video up to those stage where I can stay 2 hours covering every nitty-gritty. So okay guys, at least you have realized exactly where to look out for. Bye for now.